How to clear space on iPhone. As technology continues to advance, our smartphones have become an integral part of our daily lives. With the iPhone being one of the most popular smartphone brands, it's no surprise that we store a lot of personal data and files on these devices. Over time, this storage can become cluttered and slow down the performance of our iPhones. Clearing space on our iPhones is crucial to not only improve performance but also to free up storage for new files and data. Here are some of the benefits of clearing space on your iPhone. Improved performance. The more cluttered your iPhone's storage is, the slower it will run. Clearing space on your iPhone can help improve the speed and overall performance of the device. This means that you can open apps, take pictures, and perform other tasks faster and more efficiently. Enhanced battery life. Clearing space on your iPhone can also enhance battery life. As the device runs smoother and faster, it won't have to work as hard to perform tasks, meaning that the battery will last longer. Better security. Clearing space on your iPhone can also improve the security of your device. When your iPhone has limited storage space, the operating system will automatically store data in the cloud, which can be vulnerable to hacking and data breaches. By clearing space on your iPhone, you can ensure that your data is stored securely on your device. Improved user experience. A cluttered iPhone can be overwhelming and confusing to navigate. Clearing space on your iPhone will help improve the overall user experience by making it easier to find the files and data you need. Let's see how you can clear space on your iPhone. The first thing you need to do is determine exactly how much space you have left. Open the Settings app. Tap General. Tap iPhone Storage. You may need to wait a few moments, but you should see a graph at the top of the screen displaying how much free space you have and what's using up your memory. Under the Recommendations header, you'll see suggestions on how to make more storage on iPhone. Tap on a suggestion to see what Apple recommends. How to free up space on iPhone. Delete unnecessary apps. The easiest way to clear space on your iPhone is to delete apps that you no longer use. To delete an app, simply press and hold its icon on the home screen until it starts wiggling. Then, tap the X in the corner of the app icon to delete it. Repeat this process for any other apps that you no longer need. Wait for the apps to load below the graph showing you how much storage space you have left. Once they do, the apps will be listed from the biggest to the smallest in terms of size. Below an app's name, look at last use to see which apps you haven't used in a while. If it's been a while since you last used the app and it's taking up too much space, tap it to see the app size and how much data it's storing on your iPhone. Choose whether to delete the app and all of its data or just offload the app from the iPhone temporarily. Offload app removes the app from your phone but leaves all of its data behind. If you reinstall it later, the data will still be there and you can continue using it normally. This is a good option if you plan to use the app again later, and the app itself is very large but the data takes up very little space. Delete app deletes the app and all of its data. This is a good choice if the app's data is much larger than the app itself, so there's little advantage to deleting just the app, like Spotify if you download a lot of music, or the music app itself. Remove or optimize excess iPhone photos. To optimize your photos on iPhone 7 or later, you can enable high efficiency mode for the pictures you take with your camera. The image quality won't be affected, but each photo will take significantly less space to store. This might be turned on already, but it bears double checking. Open the Settings app. Tap Camera. Tap Formats. Make sure that the camera capture mode is set to high efficiency. If not, tap on it. Another way to clear space is to remove old or duplicate photos. Photos can take up a lot of storage space on your iPhone. To clear space, go to the Photos app and delete any old or duplicate photos that you no longer need. You can also use third-party apps such as Gemini Photos to help you quickly identify and delete duplicate photos. These are the most important ways to clear space on iPhone. Clearing space on your iPhone is a simple task that can have significant benefits. You can do this by deleting unnecessary apps and removing old or duplicate photos. By taking these steps, you can improve the performance, storage space, battery life, security, and overall user experience of your iPhone. So, take some time to clear space on your iPhone and experience the benefits for yourself. Thank you for watching this. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.